Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a secure, fast, and affordable VPN but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share the latest PrivateVPN coupon codes and discounts, plus show you exactly how to buy it, step by step. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. PrivateVPN is one of the most underrated VPN services out there. Lightning-fast servers, military-grade encryption, streaming support for Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer, and a strict no-logs policy. Whether you want to protect your privacy, unblock content, or secure your browsing on public Wi-Fi, PrivateVPN is a solid choice. Here are the codes you can try. Private25, save 25% off annual plans. VPN 2025, extra 20% off site-wide for new users. Secure 30, flat 30% off 2-year subscriptions. Stream 15, 15% off plans optimized for streaming. Free month. Get 1 month free on select long-term packages. How to buy PrivateVPN with a discount. Click the special link in the description. Choose the plan that works best for you. Monthly, annual, or multi-year. At checkout, paste one of the coupon codes, confirm your savings, and complete the purchase. Download PrivateVPN and start browsing safely within minutes. So don't wait. These PrivateVPN deals are time sensitive, and VPN discounts don't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN discounts and tech tips, and let me know in the comments which code worked for you. See you in the next one.